What is up, guys, and welcome to the South Coast Home. Wanted to take a few minutes today, make a dedicated video to air sealing the exterior electrical boxes here at the South Coast Home. So let's get you set up and I'll show you what we're working with. Alright guys, so this is what I'm talking about. This is an electrical box that goes to the outside. It's going to be an outlet on our back porch, but as you can see, that light coming through where the wires are punched through, that is going to be a spot where air can migrate in and out of this wall cavity. That's not something we want to happen. So what we're going to do is we got these putty pads. It's basically a fire rated putty pad, 6" by 7" square, and we will put this on there. It'll coat the whole back side of this box. It'll fill those holes, cover those gaps, and it should stick to the stud as well as the wall in that wall cavity to sort of seal up the box, keep us from having any air coming in and out of here. I learned this trick from Nick Schiffer and NS Builders. They're up in Boston. He put a video out of them doing this for sound attenuation, I think was the purpose in the particular video I saw. But then I was able to message him, talk to him a little bit, and he said they work great for air sealing as well. So let's go ahead and get this one put on. We'll walk around the rest of the house and see where else we can use them. How's it going? Alright guys, so as you can see, that putty pad just sort of stretches around. You're able to get in there and get it into all the nooks and crannies, get it stuck to the walls, stuck to everything. It's super flexible. Basically, you leave that backer paper on one side, get it on there, and then you can pull that backer off and sort of get it molded into those nooks, crannies, get it wrapped around the wire, get all those gaps closed up to where you're just sort of sealing that box from the inside, and we're good to go. So let's go ahead and see what else we can do, see what other boxes we can find and get sealed up. Alright, it's as simple as that. These putty pads are available from Amazon, so go ahead and check out the link in the description. Alright guys, well it is as easy as that to get those boxes sealed up. Pretty simple process. Just take your time with it. Make sure you get that putty pad wrapped all the way around the box. Seal up all of those holes in it. These boxes are just exterior outlets, but each of those boxes has 4 spots where wires can punch through. So you gotta make sure you get the 2 on the top and the 2 on the bottom. Get those sealed up, and then in our case, on the outside we actually have the boxes taped to the zip system sheathing on the outside, as well as some closed cell spray foam was put around the inside of those boxes. So the box was actually sealed to the wall pretty well. We just had to seal up those holes where the wires punch through on the back side, and those putty pads did a great job at it. So I highly encourage you to get some of those putty pads if you have some exterior outlets you need to seal up, and I'll get you going. Pretty simple process. I think they're about $6-7 a piece, so depending on how many outlets you have, may get a little pricey, but I think it's well worth it. If you're building a tight home, do that extra little step. Make sure those outlets are nice and tight. So we're gonna wrap this one up here. Hope y'all are enjoying these videos. Click that thumbs up if you like this video. If you learned something from it, let me know down in the comments. And click that subscribe button if you haven't already. We'll catch you next time down here at the South Coast Home. Y'all have a good one.